Hello, girls. Well, what I want to show you is the last class of clauses that we have to see. We have already seen finite clauses, noun clauses, relative clauses, and now what we have to see is adverbial clauses. I mean, also non-finite clauses, but in the part of finite clauses, we have to see still adverbial clauses. And so here I've got a classification of clauses. Here we've got clauses of reason, of time. Within time, there is time frequency, place, concession, condition, and purpose. There are more, but these are the main ones. So let's see the ones that we've got here. Adverbial clauses are a morphological category. That is to say, when we say that this is an adverbial clause, we say that we are talking about the category, not syntax. It is a morphological category that play the syntactic role of adverbial adjuncts. So that is the syntactic role, adverbial adjunct. Depending on the meaning, the adverbial adjunct will be of time. When the units are sold, the city expects to recover all but its 825,000 initial investment. Place, wherever your wheels take you. Cycling is serious, good fun, etc. Or you will find her where she usually hides. So you can see here that there is where, that is the word that introduces the adverbial clause, and we've got a subject and a predicate. There is manner, she smoothed her shirt as if its texture might tell her something. Reason, she thought I was Rachel because our voices sound the same. Condition, I feel lucky if my car isn't towed. Comparison, I love you more than he does. And there is one that I didn't write here, that is concession. And a clause of concession is although I love you, I will not marry you. Yes? So this is a clause of concession. Let me see if there is another kind of clause here. Purpose. A clause of purpose could be, for example, Lucilla phoned me so that I could tell her the news. Yes, so that is the word that introduces the clause. In this case, although is the word that introduces the clause of concession. In the analysis, the word that introduces the clause of concession is a subordinating conjunction. It is a subordinating conjunction and nothing more. That is to say, it is not part of the analysis of the sentence. So, when we have here, sorry, the analysis is down below. Here we have Jane came in the morning because she wanted to buy a new car. So came is an intransitive verb. When, in the morning. This is an adverbial adjunct of time. Prepositional phrase. In is the head prepositional. The morning is the prepositional complement. Noun phrase. Morning is the head noun. The is the determiner definite article. Because she wanted to buy a new car, all that is an adverbial adjunct of reason, adverbial clause. Because is a subordinating conjunction, and all the rest, she is the subject, and wanted to buy a new car is the predicate verb phrase. Wanted to is a modalizer, is a kind of verb combination that we haven't seen yet, and buy is a transitive verb, and do is a direct object noun phrase, and you know how to analyze this noun phrase on your own. Well, okay, so these are adverbial clauses.